arrive, but I'm very excited for what we're doing tonight.
It's my first year here in Pécs, and it's really interesting to see the different kind of cultures and different kind of food. So yeah, that is different cultures here, and it's really different to a club. So many people coming, and yeah, I'm really excited what it's gonna be.
Because it's the first time for me, and I'm expecting to see the different countries, and because I know that Pécs is full of international students, and I'm really looking forward to this evening.
Their favorite food? Baklava from Turkey.
Baklava, that was really good. The Brazilian food was great as well.
And the Indonesian food was also really good.